Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Hold on. Let's see. Who's Josh? See RIP Josh trending. Who is Josh? I don't know who it is. Anyways. Good morning, everybody. And then who won last night? Did Clemson win? One second. I want to know who won. And then we are going to get rocking and rolling. Wow, okay. Hold on. All right, we're going to get started in a second, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, the physical copy of the book is coming out today. It is on Amazon right now. They just don't have it like available. Like you can pull up the book, but you can't buy it yet. And they said it should be available within 24 hours for purchase. So the book will be out today. Hold on one second. Alrighty. What's up? Yeah, what's funny is I was at my friend's house yesterday and his cousin went to Clemson and he was like, yeah, every single time he watches the game over here, Clemson loses. And sure enough, yesterday he watched it at his house and Clemson lost and got smoked. So I don't think he's going to be watching it there anymore. Anyways, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. How's everybody's long 3-day weekend? You guys have a nice relaxing 3-day weekend, hopefully. Let me tell you, I didn't even come into the office at all the entire long weekend. Did not even come in here. Tell you what, I played a lot of Diablo. Bought it on the Xbox and played a lot of it. But awesome. So in a little bit, I am going to be dropping Team Bull discount codes. This is the last discount that we are going to be having for the Discord server in a very, very long time. And it's actually the biggest discount code that we've ever had for Team Bull. So I'm going to be dropping those in about 10 minutes. If you guys have been hesitating, thinking about joining Team Bull, now is definitely the opportunity to do so. You get that first month for very, very cheap. Can't go wrong with it. So again, going to be dropping that in 10 minutes once we get more people up in here. And then one last time, the book on Amazon will officially be dropping either tonight, maybe even later this afternoon, or very early tomorrow morning. Again, it is live on Amazon. You just can't purchase it yet. So fingers crossed. But let's hop right into the analysis. Let's see what we like, what we don't like, and then we'll go from there. Good morning. All right, let's get this 1 hour 21 EMA on. Boom. 21. All righty. So we do have a squeeze. We're trading below the 1 hour 21 EMA. If I'm going to be bullish, I want to see us get back up above this 1 hour 21 EMA. Maybe interested in 450. We'll see. But as far as bounces, only one I see would be way down there. So not really any good fibs. As far as the daily time frame, 445. We still have that daily gap that I'd be really interested in. What's today? 9/5/23. Again, make sure you guys are smashing that like button if you want this watch list. Y'all know the drill. 225 likes. Let's get this right there. So break above 453.7. We can get the gap fill. And a bounce. I mean, yeah, like I said, probably here to here. And then after that, there to there. But that's going to be quite a pull. What are we trading at? We're at 450.5. I know Apple gapped down overnight. Not too sure about the Apple news. If anybody knows it, type it in the chat. But yeah, I mean, 444.34 would be the area. Watch that 1 hour squeeze, maybe the overnight low. But yeah, that looks to be it. This is invalid. Price has already broken through it multiple times. Maybe a reject there to there. We'll see. But that's everything on SPY for the time being. Let's pull up the economic calendar real quick. See what we got going on. Factory orders. Ooh, that's at 10. So nothing too crazy there. Yeah, pretty much bottomed out right at that 4,500 on ES. Or it was 4,500, so break below there. I'll probably look for more downside. Let's try a 4 hour. There to there, 44.90, that's closer. That's going to be way further, and then we have that one right there. Cool. Yeah, so I'd say if we break this 4,500, I mean, I'll watch this area right here, but ideally this 44.77. So that's going to be the main area. We get rid of all this over there. That. We have a nice 4 hour squeeze on ES, so let's see what happens with that. And then again, maybe we could take pivot high, pivot low, look for a reject somewhere up here. We do have 1 hour supply. So that is going to be the rough analysis for the time being. Take a look at QQQ. Definitely would prefer a pullback on this one. Most definitely would prefer a pullback here. Nice 4 hour squeeze, trading at that 4 hour 21 EMA. Again, if I'm going to watch it bounce, it's going to be there to there, 373.5. Good morning. That's probably it then. The decline in the iPhone orders, more than likely, that's what pulled it. Sounds like sell-off newsworthy. And the next one, way down there, way down there. Cool. So those are going to be our bounces, rejects. Again, possibly pivot high, pivot low. We'll see. 1 hour squeeze below the 1 hour 21 EMA. Bounce right off that previous high. Let's see if we break below there. Low pivot high, we got right there. That went right into supply. That's way down there. So again, yeah, gonna be watching this for my bounce. Potential pivot high, pivot low. Also got supply. 1 hour supply at this area. So again, we can watch that. But that appears to be it for the time being on ES, NQ, SPY, QQQ. So, who wants some Team Bull discounts real quick before we start continuing this this watch list? Again, this is the last discount that we're going to have for the year. One of the biggest discounts that we're going to have, or actually it is a pretty big discount. So, who wants it? Anybody want it? Or am I just going to not drop it for you guys? You guys let me know who wants it while I get it pulled up. In case anybody does. Hold on 1 second. Let's see. Let me get it for you guys. Boom. No, if you're already in Team Bull, then it's not going to work. Good morning. Good morning. Hold on, let me get it all set up. Alrighty. So here's the discount code for Team Bull. This is the link to join right there, the WAP link, right? Dropped it 5 times. Now here are the 2 different discount codes that you can use. You can use Level Up right there for $500 off on the yearly, or you can use Future to get 50% off your first month. Again, that is the biggest discounts that we are going to have inside of Team Bull. So if you guys want it, there's the codes right there. Level Up, $500 off the yearly. Future for 50% off your first month. If you want to come trade live with me and a bunch of other amazing traders. And again, here's the link right here one more time. And here's the discount one more time. So if you guys want to hop in, trade live with me, trade with other traders, exclusive Team Bull education, friendly trading community, and so much more, there's everything you need to hop on in. Now, let's continue the watch list. Let's run through the weekly watch list. I do have one swing trade that I'm watching specifically, so I'm going to be bringing that up to you guys. But we looked at SPY, AMD. Amazon book is going to be later today, I believe. AMD looks pretty good. Let's see, what are we trading at? 108.77. Watching this little like wedge that we have right here on AMD. Right here. Ideally looking for that breakout. It looks pretty good. Possibly an uptrend entry today on AMD. AMD, we'll put that up. Amazon, I think that just broke out. There we go. Yes, that broke out, retested on Friday. So a possible uptrend entry here. So I do like that. Amazon. Let's see, Google. Ideally looking for the pullback here. What do we trade it at? 135.20, 132.60, where I'd be interested. So nothing for the time being. Netflix. Watching that daily gap if it gets strength this week above that 448. So just gonna set an alert. Boom. And then ADP, I'm looking for a swing there. Anything near this daily 21 EMA is what I like for a swing. So around 251. This is my favorite swing trade setup right now. We haven't tested it in a really long time, so I'm expecting buyers to be at that daily 21 EMA. So if we tap it, I'm looking for the swing, especially if we have a reaction off of it. So ADP, keep that one on watch. And then the final one was Upwork for a possible swing, again, near that daily 21 EMA. Alrighty. INTC, I haven't traded this thing in so long. But yeah, looks like a lot of accumulation here. Nothing that I would trade. But from that list, AMD, Amazon, ADP could come into play today. Also, if you guys took that PSX swing with me, that did 100% on Friday. Again, signaled live inside of Team Bull. Very beautiful swing. Literally one day, 100%. Hit our first price target. Ideally looking for more out of this thing up at 119.30. The entire oil sector looks hot. XLE, XOP, Exxon, Chevron, BP, you know, you name it. Every single oil stock looks the exact same as far as technicals. So, FPC, same thing. What do you mean, Raphael? I think is how you say it. And again, make sure you guys are smashing that like button. We got 207 people in here, 94 likes. Remember, if you guys want this watch list, you gotta run it up. We need more than that. Let's see, Apple. Honestly, that iPhone news isn't great. Could look to scalp it down to the 4-hour 21 EMA as a possible price target. Honestly, not super interested, so I'm just going to skip over it. Let's see, Boeing. Don't really care about. I'm going to skip over it, actually. Hit the 50. I mean, down at 219.80 doesn't look bad. But we'll skip over that. Baba don't care about. Yeah, there you go, my man JTS. My man going on a date. I'm so proud. Giving you a clap. Proud of you. Let's go to the daily. I don't know. I kind of like this, but I kind of don't at the same time. So we're gonna just skip over that. Yes, again, the book, it's up on Amazon. It's just you can't buy it yet. So it should be available for purchase either later today or very early tomorrow morning. So again, I'm going to keep you guys updated. Make sure you're following me on Instagram. Make sure you're following me on Twitter, because as soon as I know that it's up and that you can go purchase it, I'm going to be posting it all over my socials. All over. And the ebook version is up too, if you want the ebook instead of the hard copy. Tell you what though, I am not finding any setups today. Nice 4-hour orange shot squeeze on Meta. Could be something to watch. Yeah, PayPal. See, here's the thing though. I don't know if I'd be able to be with someone who trades. I just don't know. Gotta have that life balance. If you're with someone that trades, geez, it's like all you talk about. Hey, whatever makes you happy. This Shopify actually looks pretty good. Like that 1-hour squeeze. So, shop. Snow. SPX. If we come back and test 4,500 SPX, I'm interested in the bounce. But let's see if we have anything after that. We might have already hit it. I don't know. 45.51, and then we get gap fill. Just got to prove that it's not. My parents said trading was gambling, and then you just show them the results. Numbers speak. That was a misprint, but I mean, if we failed that 241. Honestly, this is such a huge area for support and resistance. This entire area. I don't know. We'll put a question mark next to Tesla. Question mark. All right, so I like AMD, I like Amazon, I like ADP, I like Shop, and I like Tesla. Those are the stocks that I like. And again, if you're just tuning in, Team Bull is running the biggest discount of the year, one of the last discounts of the year. So if you are looking to try out the Discord server, now is definitely the time. So here's the link right here if you want to trade live with me. A bunch of other amazing traders know when we get into trades, out of trades, a bunch of solid education, a very amazing community. That is the link right there. And then here are the 2 discount codes. If you want to use Level Up, you'll get 50% off your first month. Actually, it's a little more than 50% off your first month. Or you can use Level Up and get $500 off the year. So there is the links right there. And again, there's the discount codes. You guys want to come try out Team Bull. Alrighty. And yes, if you are a channel member, YouTube channel member, you can access the bootcamp videos. Those were made private for channel members only. But let's see, it's 8:27. We got 3 minutes, then we can narrow the list. Any questions in the meantime? 3 minutes, narrow the list, see what we like, what we don't like, finalize levels, and then we'll go from there. Feel free to ask questions in the meantime. And again, how was everybody's long weekend? You guys do anything fun? So like 2 people say that they did something fun. Again, it depends on what Tesla does at that level. All depends. If we got questions, we can sit here and sing until 8:30 if you guys want. I'm down with it. I don't even touch DWAC. Nice, Morrison. Okay. I give you a clap. Bachelor party, there you go. Nice, nice. Good, I'm glad you're enjoying Thailand. I have that book. That's a really good book. Yeah, for the signed copies, when they go live on Amazon, you have to DM me personally. I will say it's going to be more expensive to get the signed copy because I have to buy the book, have it shipped here, and then shipped out to you. So just keep in mind it will be a little more expensive. Alrighty. Got 1 minute. I just bought my computer from... what's that place called? It's like a big computer store. It's like an hour away from me. I can't remember the name. But it's just a really high-end gaming computer is what I have. It has all the NVIDIA stuff in it. I think it has one thing that might be AMD, but it's a beast of a computer. I spent like 2.5K, 2.8K on it. But yeah, you're going to get what you pay for when it comes to computers, for sure. Alrighty. Let's see, 8:30. 8:30. Let's get rocking and rolling. Alright, so ES. Like I said, if I'm going to look for a reject, it's possibly going to be here to here. Up towards like that 45.20 area. Take that off. So that's like really the only area I'd be interested in until we actually start getting up here. Which actually, hold on. Okay, so this was yesterday's trading. Honestly, would be more interested in here just because the market really didn't trade yesterday. So actually, let's watch Friday's high down to this 4,500 low. If we break below there, then I'm watching 4,590. 0.63, so like 0.75 to 0.5, and then 44.77 is going to be the ideal area. So off that old demand zone right there. Alrighty. Let's see, SPY. I couldn't even tell you what computer this is. Hold on. I see a ROG on it. So I don't know if that's the name of it or something. But ROG. But yeah, we can also watch the lows for a possible liquidity sweep, 44 or 449.11. Let's see. Let's take this low to this high, 447.80. That's gonna be way down there. And then let's see. It's just Friday's high, low, goal. So yeah, possible rejects up here, bounces down here, possible liquidity sweep here. Head on over to NQ. Again, if we break below this previous high, 15,418, which we bounced right off of, look for more downside. Here's our bounce, reject, pivot high, pivot low, boom. Watch up there. Let's see. I mean, if it has an AMD risen and a GeForce RTX, and that's about all I see from the side, then probably. It's got like a cool RGB light going right through the middle of it, like at a little angle. But I can't remember the store I bought it from. You can buy it online, and I sent it to somebody before. But there's NQ. Let's take a look at QQQ. Same thing. Break below 375.29. Watch 375. Possible liquidity sweep below there. Pivot high, pivot low. Rejects up there. Alrighty. How many likes are we at? We got 240 likes, 130. Or no. We have 240 people in here, 133 likes. Remember, if you guys want this, watch this. You got to run it up. 225 likes. 225 likes for the watch list. Boom. Trust me, I'm like literally the dumbest person when it comes to electronics. Absolutely the dumbest. So I'm probably one of the last people you should ask. But I'll describe it to you. I'll try to describe it. All right, so AMD, I mean, this might be on the back burner. I really love that daily setup, even the weekly. Looks really good. It's just, I don't know, not too sure about today. Did we even look at NVIDIA? Yeah, we looked. Don't really care there. Let's take a look at Amazon. So, I mean, Amazon, it came back. It retested the level, which is bullish. I mean, this will be invalid if it breaks below Friday's low. Possibly. Not super in love with it. Again, ADP looking for the pullback. Shopify. Let's see, is that holding up? Not really. Might form a little cup and handle, actually. We'll see with that one. That's a huge gap up. We'll see. Shopify, not super in love with. Tesla's right at the level. I will tell you that I'm not in love with any of these setups today at all. So let's go through it again. I mean, the one that would make the most sense to look for an uptrend entry would be on Amazon, just given the daily. So I think that's going to go on the watch list. I kind of want to watch that Tesla. Say it bounce anywhere in the zone, and then if we fail, we can look for puts. Reject. 1 hour, 21 EMA. Yeah, let's roll with Amazon. Let's roll with Tesla again. Not super in love with the setups. but we will make today do. Tesla looking for a bounce between 242 to 240.5. Reject at 1 hour 21 EMA. All right, so there's Tesla, Amazon, let's retest. If it's a penny stock, I don't trade it. Never heard of IONQ. Nicer setups on the daily breakout of daily trend line plus retest, looking for an uptrend entry. Friday's low makes it invalid. Alrighty, SPY. We're below 450. Let's see. 7.8. What are we trading at? 449.88. And 446.43. Price remains above 449.11. I'd like rejects at 451.4 and 451.3. All right, there is SPY. Looks like you guys might not be getting this watch list today. Guys are slacking on the likes. We need 65 more if you guys want it. 65 more likes. QQQ. Let's add 373.5. Then 371.7, which means above 375. Just at 378.17. Then 378.85. Bingo. And again, we could get liquidity sweeps. Those are definitely possible today. Below these lows. It looks like if it's going to happen, though, it's more than likely going to happen in the pre-market. Because it's getting very close. Which means your boy might take a futures trade. We'll see. And Q, yes. 8 more points. We're getting close. And again, you could see a head and shoulders here. It's more like a downwards trend line like this. Kind of ugly though, but we'll see. Yeah, no, I'm not going to trade IONQ. Never ever. 220 people, 176 likes. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know, ladies and gentlemen. We got the watch list done, though. So in the meantime, while we're waiting, has anybody got questions? While we're waiting to hit the like goal? And again, if we don't hit it, it's just going to go into Team Bull and then to channel members. Any questions? Hey. No arguing in here. No arguing in the chat. Let's all be friends. Apparently there was China news. Let's see. Apparently the dollar's moving. Yeah, I watched that same documentary. It was pretty good. Yeah, the dollar's moving. She moving. Let's take a look at TLT. Where are we at on this? Good form an inverse head and shoulders, actually. Wouldn't that be something? Bonds are very tricky to trade, but I mean, if it wanted to do that, I might try a swing. Depends. Where are we trading at? 94.21. We're slightly below it. We'll see. CB, ZN, CT. What's going on here? I guess they might have expired and then, I don't know. I'm not too sure with this actually. Interesting. Alrighty. I mean, I'm watching Tesla for a bounce at the support or a reject at the 1 hour 21 EMA. Let's take a look at NQ again. Guys got him running up. 225 likes if you want this watch list. We're at 188. Guys are getting closer. Oh, let's see. What was your question? 15,550. Oh, wait. There we go, right there. I mean, yeah, that's a key area. That entire area right there. I'm just more interested in the fibs because it gives me like an exact level. No, I do not trade the VIX. If anything, I'll pull up VIX just to kind of see what's going on. Looks like we had gap up 1, gap up 2. And it did break this huge falling wedge right here. But personally, no, I do not trade it. It's a nice doji at the bottom. But yeah, nothing that I'm too interested in. Boom. Just bought that bad boy up. What a candle. What a candle. What are we at? 233. Okay. Let's see. 200. All right. So in the meantime, while we're just waiting for you guys to hit up the last 25 likes, if you guys did not see my second book, The New Age of Day Trading, the Ultimate A through Z Trading Guide, is on Amazon, not on Amazon, on Shopify for the ebook version. So if you guys prefer the ebook version, pull that up real quick. If you prefer the ebook version, then here's the link right here. Again, the Amazon version is going to be up either today or very early tomorrow. So if you want, just wait for that. But if you prefer the ebook version, that is the link to get it right there. Get the ebook. Boom. And it's only in black and white. There's no color. There's way too much effort to do the colored version as well. So we're getting very close. Wait for you guys to hit the like goal, and then yeah, fingers crossed we hit that #1 on Amazon again. We did it on the last book, which is crazy. I didn't even expect that. So fingers crossed we can do #1 again 2 times in a row. Oh, apparently there's Fed news. Yeah, I mean, I like the AMD falling wedge on the daily. So I might actually. What are we? 90. AMD could still come into play potentially. Yeah, let's get this bad boy #1 again on Amazon. You guys did it last time. Fingers crossed we can do it again. That's a huge milestone. So again, make sure you're following my Twitter and Instagram because you're going to know exactly when the book goes live. If you guys run it up to #1, might give away like $500 or something. We'll see. But yes, I am super, super excited. We're at 211 likes. We're getting close. Watching Tesla both ways. Both ways. $13 more likes. You guys are getting there. Join the Zoom while we're waiting to hit it. Boom. Alrighty. 10 mics. Just waiting. Tell you what though, it's gonna be so hot today. So hot. It was something about inflation. Bobby started pumping. I saw that tweet. All right, let's prepare this watch list for you guys. You need 5 more. And then I'm dropping it. It's ready. I'm ready to click send. You guys can do it. Yeah, the back to school special. 221. Slowly inching our way there. You know, 223 is good enough. There we go. All right. So as always, none of this is financial advice. Everything talked about in this live stream is based on my opinion and my opinion only. Options trading is very risky where you can lose more than your initial investment if you are not careful. So as always, do your own due diligence, use your own proper risk management, and I am not responsible for any lost funds. Again, this plan could go completely wrong. This is just my plan for the day. The market is very irrational. Could invalidate everything that I'm looking for today. If it invalidates it, I'm going to look for other setups. If I don't see any opportunity, then I am not going to take a trade. So the 2 stocks that I like, Tesla, Amazon, maybe AMD. We'll see a little later. And then SPY and QQQ. So, SPY, QQQ, bang. So that is everything I am watching for the day. Again, make sure you guys stay tuned to my socials. I will let you know when book #2 is officially live on Amazon. But yeah, I'm ready to run it up today. Today's a good day to have a good day, that's for sure. But hopefully everybody's rested up from the long weekend. You guys are ready to crush it. Remember to tune in tomorrow, 8 a.m. Eastern time, where I will be live yet again, giving you guys another completely free watch list for the day. So make sure you're subscribed, and all you guys have to do is run it up to 225 likes and you get the watch list. That's it. Other than that, it's free 99. I will see everybody here tomorrow bright and early, 8 a.m. Eastern time. Everybody have a great day. And if you're in Team Bull, I'll talk to you in like 10-15 minutes. Other than that, peace out.